Most people won't use AI to build. They'll use it to consume entertainment, convenience, distraction, comfort. That may become one of the biggest economic divides of the next decade. Every major technology creates two groups: the people who build with it and the people who passively use it. AI may amplify that pattern dramatically. AI is becoming the perfect consumption machine. Infinite content, infinite entertainment, instant answers, personalized stimulation. AI is making consumption frictionless. Convenience can become dependency. The easier technology becomes, the easier it is to stop creating entirely. Why struggle to learn when AI can summarize? Why build when entertainment is endless? Why develop skills when convenience is instant? That trade off may have long term consequences. Algorithms optimize for attention. Most digital systems are designed to maximize engagement, not independence. The longer attention is captured, the more valuable the user becomes to the platform. AI makes content limitless. AI generated media may soon become infinite. Infinite videos, infinite music, infinite feeds, infinite stimulation. The battle for attention is accelerating. Passive consumption scales easily. Building requires effort. Consumption requires almost none. That's why most people drift toward passive systems, unless they consciously resist them. A small group will use AI differently. While most people consume AI outputs, a smaller group will use AI to automate businesses, create assets, build audiences, scale systems, acquire leverage. Same technology, completely different outcomes. AI can either amplify you or distract you. For some people, AI becomes a productivity multiplier. For others, it becomes a permanent entertainment layer. The difference may shape future economic mobility. The real advantage is intentionality. The people who benefit most from AI may not be the smartest. They may simply be the most intentional. Intentional about attention, systems, habits, learning, creation, ownership. Builders accumulate digital leverage. Every system built today can compound tomorrow. A channel, a workflow, an audience, a product, a distribution system. Digital leverage accumulates quietly over time. The gap may grow invisible at first. At first, everyone may appear to be using the same tools. But over time, outcomes begin separating. One group consumes continuously, the other builds continuously. AI may create a new form of passivity. If AI handles thinking, organizing, writing, entertainment, decision support, some people may slowly stop developing capability altogether. Convenience can quietly reduce agency. The future rewards active participation. The strongest position may come from staying active inside the system, learning, building, experimenting, adapting, creating infrastructure. Participation becomes leverage. The most valuable resource is attention. The future economy may be built around one core resource: human attention. Where attention goes, behavior follows. Where behavior goes, economic outcomes follow. This isn't about rejecting AI. AI is not the enemy. Passive dependency is the danger. The goal is not avoidance. The goal is intentional use. Use AI to expand your capabilities. Use AI to learn faster, build faster, automate faster, create systems, increase leverage, not just consume endlessly. The early years matter most. Right now, society is still deciding how AI will integrate into their daily life. These early habits may shape long-term outcomes because systems compound and behaviors compound too. Most people will consume the future, but a smaller group will help build it. That difference may become economically enormous. Most people will become AI consumers. The question is not whether AI will change society, it's whether you'll mainly consume what AI creates or use it to build leverage of your own. I hope you're enjoying the series. Give us a like and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to click on the notification bell so you'll know when the next video comes out. Thanks for watching.